Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to add new staff and faculty members. Staff and faculty are another area of the website that is not managed through the visual or page builder. They've been set up in this manner to make it easy to update faculty and staff information without needing to worry about keeping design and format consistent across multiple profiles, while also keeping them organized with filters and categories. On the staff and faculty page, you can see we have a filterable directory with the staff profiles listed below. Clicking on a staff profile will pull up an individual page with an expanded version of the faculty or staff member's profile, including a section for a biography if needed. To manage the staff and faculty profiles, we'll head over to the dashboard and click on Faculty. If you're looking to add a new member, click the Add New button. To edit or replace a faculty or staff member, hover over the desired profile and click the Edit button. Once you arrive on the editing page, you'll see the place for the name on top and the category module on the right side. You'll want to make sure the member is placed in the correct category before publishing or updating. Next, scroll down until you see a section containing the staff profile information. This may include fields such as salutation, first name, last name, email, and others. You may fill out all the fields desired. You'll also want to make sure to upload a featured image to that section on the right. If a featured image needs to be replaced, first remove the existing image and then upload a new one from the media library to replace it. From there, you'll just need to click the blue Update or Publish button above to publish a new profile to the site or update an existing one. You should be able to see any updates to an existing profile right away on the faculty and staff page. That's all there is to it. Please stay tuned for the next lesson.